We will show how we can create a GA4 Google Analytics 4 account. Okay. For start the procedure, first we need to analytics.google.com. After that, the interface will come front of us, and after that we need to click the start measuring button. Okay. Then here we need to input some business details. Here I need to submit account name. Okay. So that's why I'm giving a account name here. Okay, after that scroll down and here click Google products and service, all the information we will get through Gmail, and after that we need to click the next button. Okay, here we need to give property details. Here property details, property name. So here you will input your property name according to your business name. So I am giving here a property name GA4 property. Okay, then scroll down here, the reporting time zone. Here it will time zone and currency will be your according your business, where are your business located. Okay, so then the next button. After that, here you need to give some business details. Here you need to give a industry category. So here you can search according to your business category. So my business is food and drink, so I am submitting it. After that, business size, how much employees are working on your business. Okay, I am clicking here 1 to 10 employees. After that, the next button, and then here you can click all the objective of your business. So I am clicking leads, sales, traffic, and user engagement. Okay, after that, just you need to click here create button. And here we can see here are some analytics terms and policy. So we need to here accept the terms and policy. So scroll down, show where the accept button. Okay, here I need to click I also accept, and here the another one, and after that just I want to click I accept button. Here account and property are created. Okay, so what will be the data stream? So I need to collect data from website, so that's why I am clicking here web. If you want to from app or iOS app, then you click here. Okay, so I am creating it for collecting from website data, so I am clicking web, and here we need to submit a you submit your business URL. Okay, that's why I am submitting here my business website URL. Okay, here you can import your website name. I am submitting according to my business. Okay, then here everything is done, and now need to click create and continue button. Okay, just wait for, and here I need to click next button. Just wait, click the next button. Okay, and data collecting is pending. Here we will click continue to home for going the analytics interface. Just wait until the fully loaded of the page of Google Analytics 4 interface. Here I close it and I click all the thing and just save them. Okay, so here is my Natural XPD, Google Analytics for web property. That's all. Uh, we can create this kind of thing, a Google Analytics for account. Okay. So thank you for watching the video.